Get ready to experience a revolution in 3D rendering that transforms your imagination into reality. The power of rendering technology is evolving, empowering creators to reach new heights in artistry. Introducing an incredible new line of ultra-lifelike models designed for stunning visuals in every project. Whether it's for breathtaking movies or immersive games, our models ensure unparalleled realism. Photorealistic 3D assets are no longer just a dream, they're now a tangible reality at your fingertips. Imagine producing jaw-dropping visuals that captivate your audience and leave them in awe. With our production-ready 3D components, your creative workflow will never be the same again. These assets are specially crafted to enhance every frame, boosting the quality of your work exponentially. And the best part? You can try them out through our free HD download options. Unlock endless possibilities today and elevate your projects to breathtaking heights of creativity.